Hi everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, and I am so excited because we are in Webb Ponte Vedra, and I'm joined by Ian, their sales manager, who's fabulous. You guys know Ian, and I'm so excited because there is so much just excitement, noise, commotion going around Webb because they are in their final phase. They're building 2 more models. They just can't get enough of Webb. Everyone's coming into the Welcome Center for Webb. So Ian's going to show us around this one beautiful model that he said is very popular. So again, Ian, thanks for having us.
Thank you, Heather. Yes. Hey guys, we're here at the Taft Street model, which is one of our most popular selling homes in the community. It's 1,433 square feet. It's a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath, plus a flex room / office. The model sits around 1,582 square feet because we've actually showcased a sunroom package to give additional living space inside the home, which has been very popular. So let's go.
I'm excited. And I love this area out here. I know Carly did show it, and she'll take some pictures, you know, to show this better, but I love that you do have this great little seating area out here.
Yeah, everyone loves the outdoor patio here from a front porch standpoint.
And look at this open floor plan. Do love this. So let's look in this first room before we get to that amazing open part. Go ahead.
Nice. So this is our flex room, which is really multi-use. We've had people use it as an office, as a study, as a craft room, as a piano room. It has the option to add French doors here to kind of close it off if you'd like to, or leave it open the way that we have it as the model. We even have a lot of residents who have put in Murphy beds to use it as a 3rd bedroom if need be, when they have extra guests come and stay with them.
It's a great space.
Yes.
And look at this beautiful living room. Absolutely love this. And again, lots of upgrades we're going to see throughout this house because it is a model, but I just really love that I can't wait to go in the back of the house actually, because that extra bonus room that y'all put in is a must.
I agree.
It is a must.
It has been very popular, Heather. So one of the nice options that we did in here is we did this engineered wood throughout the living areas of the home. This has been very popular, a little bit more forgiving than your tile. And then we have multiple different colors, lights and darks and mediums. But the open concept is something we specialize in all of our homes. This certainly showcases that. The kitchen, which we'll get to here shortly, is certainly one of the big showstoppers.
Because it's a great entertaining space.
Without a doubt.
Because when people move to Webb, they do entertain. That's
right.
what y'all are known for. So a great room here in the front.
Yeah, good sized guest bedroom with full size bed, nice closet space, and then its own little guest suite.
And then nice full bath right here.
Oh, yep.
Very nice. And so this is a tub option right here that you're put in this model.
That's right. And then you have the ability to make that a walk-in shower. So we've had a lot of buyers who prefer that.
Okay. And 2-car garage?
Yeah, 2-car garage. This one doesn't showcase it, but it does have the option of making it an extended garage.
Okay.
Which has been real popular for golf carts and extra storage.
Carlene, let's actually go to the right first, if that's okay. So we've got, let me open this, a nice storage area. So it could be your linen closet or storage for, I say board games, to be honest with you. You never know. But
sure.
Fun things that you could put in there. And then a great laundry room. And I do want to look at this laundry room because it's a nice size. Because it's a square, it really gives you that heft in there. There's plenty of room to put some built-ins, do some storage. Obviously, you can put a door there or take it off.
Yeah, a lot of people like that it's really close to the master bedroom, so that's very convenient.
Yes, I do too. And this is a nice size owner suite. I love this. Natural light coming in.
Full king-size bed.
Yes.
Good size nightstands, big chest of drawers, so it really showcases all the space that you have within the room.
And Carlin, when you get to this owner's bath, I love how big it is. It's long, it has the 2 sinks, which is great. Lots of cabinets, lots and lots of cabinets. And we're gonna actually see that in the kitchen too. So there really is a lot of storage in this home. So even though you may be, let's say with this square footage downsizing, there still is a lot of space. You don't have to get rid of everything.
Yeah, I agree.
So let's talk about the shower, because I noticed you can step down. Is that popular here?
It has been. So having the all-tile shower with the recessed into the foundation has been very popular. And then you have different tile combinations that you can select from. This one we just matched up with what the floor tile selection was.
Very nice. And then a nice size walk-in closet. We'll let Carlene go in there. But a nice size closet. There's even room behind the door on the other side. So I really like that.
Woo! Wow.
Woo!
That's
You know that's Carlene. She's always woo!
That was perfect.
And I
That
love
was
the carpet.
perfect.
Carpet's so soft.
Yes, yeah.
I love the carpet.
Yeah, we did an upgraded pad in here, and this frisé carpet really helps.
Now look at this. With this floor plan, you have the flow of the living space into the dining, and I like that it's not formal dining. I mean, of course you can dress it up by doing beautiful accents, but I like that this just flows together, so it's inviting people to just cook in the kitchen, but be a part of the conversation with your guests.
Agreed.
Just-
And then you have some nice wall space for hutches and breakfast buffets,
Oh,
china
absolutely.
cabinets, which really works well.
And then Carlene, can you show this with the island? I like that you put this on the end. Obviously, you could put cookbooks in
So
here.
nice.
Mhm.
It is deep enough. You could put some pots in there. But I do love this island.
Yes.
And is this this standard size island? Is this an upgraded size-wise?
Size-wise, this is the way it comes included.
great.
And the
Wow.
whole configuration of the kitchen is what comes included, which is really nice.
Oh, that is really nice because I love, look at how much counter space there is.
Yes.
Carlene will get that as it curves around. And y'all, this is actually a very large kitchen. Again, always hard to see on camera, so you do need to come out and see this Taft model. But lots and lots of space for cooking and entertaining.
No doubt about it. A lot of people like, because most of our homes back up to wood and preserve
Yes.
or your pond, so having the windows over the sink in the kitchen really gives them the nice view. when they're in
Absolutely, because
here.
again, we're in the model home park, so obviously we're not taking the premium lots, right?
Yes, that's right.
But yes, you're right. You are known for that. Your beautiful preserved lots. Now, when Carlene's done, this space, Ian pointed out, is an extra bonus upgrade, but I absolutely love this. So tell us, Ian, about it. If you weren't doing it, what is this space used for?
So typically, this would be your outdoor covered lanai that would come with pavers that you'd have the option to screen in.
Okay.
And what we did in the model, which has been very popular, is when we showcased the sunroom package. So we actually enclose the lanai into more conditioned space that you can use inside the home. And then off of it, you have an extended patio
Let's go out there.
with a screen enclosure, which gives you your outdoor living space. It's great for grills, outdoor sitting, what have you.
And
then
that's
this-
a part of the package.
And it's
You
part of the
get
package,
this.
that's right.
So that is a great value. I just would have to do this. I think that really, I could see most people choosing that.
Yeah, it's been very popular, Heather, you're
I
right.
can see that. Because also on those, and it only happens occasionally, but those rainy summer days, we get like in June, July, you could sit in this space, but then you can see outside.
That's
And
right.
I love this. Absolutely love it. This floor plan, I can see why it's so popular and why people would want this, but I can't wait to see your other two new models, by the way. Yes.
Opening at the end of May,
I want to
we're
talk
excited.
about Del Webb for a minute because Del Webb Ponte Vedra, people really do come to Del Webb and they shop Del Webb's actually. And a compliment to Del Webb Ponte Vedra is they choose y'all over other Del Webb locations around the U.S. And I think that's really such a great thing, a compliment, talks to the character of your salespeople,
Sure.
but also talks to the landscaping and the Anastasia Clubhouse. So can you tell us about this clubhouse?
Yeah, so that definitely is the major draw to your Del Webb communities is the lifestyle component and the active adult lifestyle. And certainly here we showcase that brilliantly with the Anastasia Clubhouse. And it's a little bit under 40,000 square feet under roof.
Wow. I know.
And it's got everything under the sun. So being nicknamed the cruise ship of Nocatee, I think is really
You are.
appropriate.
You're a
'cause
cruise
that's
ship
certainly-
around.
That certainly has been a testament to the community and one of the big draws to the community. So the motto within the community, with the residents, is if you're bored, it's your fault. There's so much to do. There's so many different
Yes.
clubs and activities and groups and interest clubs that you can get involved in, whether it's attending a Broadway show or getting involved in a band or being part of the wine club or the garden club, you name it. It's all there at your disposal and at your fingertips. And we have two lifestyle directors who highlight that and make sure that it's a fun, active community to live in. And that certainly is a big showcase for us.
I think
Big
that's
draw.
a major selling point. And again, we are in a coastal master plan community, and the developers of Nocatee, the park group, award-winning, have won awards for many, many years as developers of the year, because what they've created for all of Nocatee. So if you do move to Del Webb, you get this amazing lifestyle, but then you get to step out your guard gate, by the way, your manned guard gate,
Yes.
and then you get into what the park group has built for all of Nocatee residents, which is whether it's water parks, outdoor heated lap pools. We have 7 active dog parks as of today, but they're actually building more.
Awesome.
We've got our second kayak launch actually located, I want to just mention it because it's right behind your back gate.
That's right.
And this kayak launch will have restrooms, it will have parking for your golf carts, your bicycles, because that's what Nocatee is known for, is overall an active adult lifestyle for all of us at all ages.
That's right.
And so thank you guys so much. I'm with Ian here at Del Webb Ponte Vedra. It's Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by award-winning developers, the Park Group. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Come and see us.